Yeah, so many times when I share the OsteoStrong story that we can come in for once a week for 15 minutes and you don't sweat, many times people say, oh, your machine is like this at my gym. And what I tell them is that's really distorting what the story is. Because what you see is we do have 4 machines that look somewhat similar to what you may find at your gym. The difference is the amount of force and pressure that an individual can apply to their body, to the infrastructure to their body, is nothing like you can find at the gym. When you are putting someone through the lower body posture machine, and they're putting force from their hip down to their ankles, and when they come in the very first time, they may be applying 2 times their body weight. But after 6 months, they're applying 6, 8, 10 times multiples of force and pressure to their lower body from their hips down to the ankle. And what's really neat is when we look at the lower body machine and you put an individual's foot up to the foot plate and you seat them in their proper position and they start applying the force, what's really neat is the seat doesn't move and the foot plate doesn't move. All of that force is to be able to show that going from the ankle running right up to the hip. And all that pressure is being applied to the lower part of their bodies, which is amazing. Because what happens as people age? The first thing they start losing is what? Balance. And where does the balance come from? We want to strengthen the lower part of their bodies. So if they happen to fall on a bike ride or just living life, we can protect those hips, we can protect those knees, or at least give them a chance to maintain their balance. So I'm Brian Ruppel, proud owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary.